Hey everyone, welcome back to It's Your Turn to Travel. Today, we're diving into something every parent wonders about. How to make traveling with kids not just possible, but fun. Whether you're road tripping or jet setting across the globe, these family travel hacks will make your trip smoother, happier, and full of memories. Let's jump in. Number 1. Use Ziploc bags to organize each day's outfit. Packing can feel like a mountain of work, but here's a game changer. Create a grab-and-go system for each day. Pack each outfit, including socks and undies, into its own Ziploc or reusable bag, and label it by day or activity. This way, you know exactly what to pull out each morning. No fuss, no mess. Number 2, pack snacks and refillable water bottles. Next up, food. Kids get hungry fast, and airport food or gas station snacks aren't always the best. Pack a variety of healthy snacks that won't make a mess. Think cut-up fruit, string cheese, crackers, or pouches. Pro tip: bring an empty water bottle for each kid and fill it up after security. It keeps everyone hydrated without breaking the bank on bottled water. Number 3, bring a fun bag for each kid with surprise toys. For entertainment, it's all about keeping things fresh. Pack a small backpack for each child filled with activities they love but don't get to play with often. Coloring books, stickers, puzzles, and even little surprises can go a long way. Oh, and save a special toy or game for the halfway point. It's a great way to bring back their focus when they start getting restless. Number 4, give older kids a small responsibility. Airports can be overwhelming for little ones, but here's a tip. Let older kids help. Assign a small task like carrying their own little backpack or helping watch the bags. It gives them a job and keeps them engaged. And for the younger ones, remember to keep essentials like snacks, wipes, and an extra shirt easily accessible for quick retrieval. Number 5, use headphone splitters to share devices. All right, now for some airplane tricks. First, try to book seats near the wing of the plane, as it can be quieter and less turbulent. And here's a pro hack. Bring a few headphone splitters so your kids can share a tablet and watch the same movie together. It's a lifesaver for avoiding arguments. Number 6, create a kids' corner to make the space feel like home. After a long day of traveling, you finally arrive. Here's what we like to do first: a quick room setup. Set up a kids' corner with their toys, books, and snacks to help them feel at home right away. This little routine makes a new space feel familiar and welcoming for them. Number 7, pack a night light for a comfortable, well-lit room at night. Bring a night light. Hotel rooms or vacation rentals can be unfamiliar and a little scary for kids at night. A small night light makes it easier for everyone to move around, especially if you need to get up in the middle of the night. Number 8, photograph essentials like passports and rental details as backups. Take a quick photo of all your essentials before you leave. Things like passports, tickets, and any rental keys. This way, if something gets lost, you have a backup image. And while you're at it, snap a photo of where you park your car or details about your rental. Trust me, this one can be a lifesaver after a long day of traveling. Number 9, download favorite shows and games for offline entertainment. Pre-download your kids' favorite shows or educational games before you go. Wi-Fi can be spotty, and not every plane or train has great options. This way, you'll always have their go-to entertainment on hand, no matter where you are. Number 10, set an alarm to double-check valuables before leaving. Set an alarm on your phone to do a quick check for your valuables and essentials before you leave each location. This small habit helps you remember things like toys, tablets, and chargers, and keeps you from losing anything important. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for family travel. We hope these hacks make your next trip even more enjoyable. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and let us know your favorite travel tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.